एक्सक्यूज मी, हाय। बहुत ही क्यूट डॉग्स हैं आपके। आपका क्या नाम है? हाय, अभिषेक। आप भी बहुत क्यूट हैं।
Thank you.
तो आप क्या करते हैं?
I'm into events. I'm a freelancer. I do event coordination, anchoring, modeling.
नाइस, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट एंड मॉडलिंग। तो आप पुणे से ही हैं क्या?
अभी पुणे से ही हूँ, वैसे दिल्ली आई टू।
Okay.
अब प्रॉपर पुणे से 15 years हो गए। पुणे
अभी
में।
प्रॉपर पुणे से ही हो। ओके, नाइस टू मीट यू। एंड व्हाट डू यू लाइक टू डू अदर देन वर्क?
I'm a freelancer, so my work is not every day.
Okay.
I decide what work I take, what work I don't take.
ओके,
So today, every weekend, mostly I'm busy because events happen on weekends.
Okay.
ये weekend नहीं था, free हूँ. And I'm a dog lover. I'm an animal lover.
I
in
can
fact.
clearly see that.
I have an animal. This one's a Lhasa, right? Yeah, he's a boy. Accidental baby.
Oh.
I'm animal lover. All animals I love.
Yeah, clearly.
Dogs are my favorite.
Dogs are your favorite.
Yeah.
What about
What's
humans?
his name? Humans are.
When did you last cry? Do you remember? You don't
I
remember?
hardly cry.
You hardly cry. Very happy person, huh?
Yeah, I'm happy.
3 dogs, yeah, they must keep you happy.
Yeah, of course, that's
So?
great.
Okay. So are you married or in a relationship?
No.
No, you're not?
I'm in a relationship but not married.
Or you're in a relationship. So how is it going?
That
How
means
long is the relationship?
Now 4 years.
4 years? Oh great. So क्या सीक्रेट सॉस है वो कि 4 साल तक रिलेशनशिप को बिल्कुल अच्छे से
क्योंकि
मेंटेन
हम
कर
बहुत
रखा है?
स्पेस देते हैं एक दूसरे को। ये सीक्रेट है और हम दोनों मैड डॉग लवर्स हैं।
अच्छा, डॉग
If
लवर्स
somebody has to be close to me, he has to be a dog lover and an animal lover.
Oh my god.
That is, I connect with the person.
Yeah.
So even my friends, mostly, I connect instantly with the people who are animal lovers and dog lovers.
That's great.
Yeah.
If you're awake at 3 a.m. and you're all alone, what do you think about?
I don't think too much about future.
You don't?
I live in present
Okay.
because nobody has seen tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't know what is
Maybe
going to
today is my
happen.
last day, so just enjoy it.
Oh my god.
You never know, life is like this nowadays.
So are you very philosophical?
No, not at all, but
No.
practical.
Practical?
Yeah.
Okay.
Practical. I'm not saying that don't secure your future, do that, but not at the cost of compromising with your present.
Yeah.
Enjoy the present. Think about your future for sure, but don't take too much stress so that your present is not spoiled.
बहुत अच्छी बात बोली है आपने. It makes you feel attractive.
Towards who? A guy or a girl?
No, about yourself. About yourself.
myself?
Yeah.
Attractive about yourself.
Yeah.
Never thought so. I think so.
Never
I'm
thought
good
so?
Enough. Like, I dress up nicely.
Okay.
I like feel that I have a good personality.
Good
That's-
personality. Yeah.
And
Dressing
I carry
up.
myself well.
Yeah.
That's what I know.
Okay. What is something that you worry about way too often?
Losing them.
Losing them. Oh my god. पेट लवर का वो एक हमेशा रहता है ना थोड़ा सा डर.
Because their age span is very less.
Yeah. That is why.
That worries me.
That worries you. Okay. What is the biggest lesson that you have learned in your life?
Never trust anyone except yourself.
Why?
Because no, you are your best. You can you can trust only yourself in this world.
That's true.
Except you can trust them, but not humans.
Dogs.
That I've
Okay.
learned.
Not humans.
No, I've learned.
Okay.
I've learned this because even if you do way beyond things, like but still they backstab you. Or like this happens, or somewhere or the other I had bad experiences.
Okay.
But that is what I've seen. Humans are like this. That is human tendency. Might be I'll also be like that. Might be you also be like that. We are humans. Humans
Okay.
are like that.
Yeah. But have
That's
you
the nature.
ever had any such experience?
No, amongst my friends only.
Okay.
Like friendship only, and also when you do things for other people, also like out of courtesy, if you do something, be it I never see people that you are a worker or you are a sweeper, or I give respect to everyone because
Yeah.
I think if they are doing their job, everybody is a human being. They all want respect. That's what everyone wants.
Yeah.
So I be nice to everyone, but at times when you do something for them and then they behave like weird room. So then you say I don't want to say everyone is like that, but then that time they'll be like this only.
क्यों ही
Then
किया
I'm
था
like-
फिर ऐसा
then I'm
लगता
like,
है.
let it be. This is my karmas. I am like this. I'll keep doing good. That is their karmas. They are doing that. They'll get back for that. I will not change for them. I will be good, so I'll be good.
Oh, I met a good person today. Yeah.
So just do your thing. What makes you happy? If you do good for others, that makes you happy. Just be happy. Don't expect. Love
So
that.
are you very spiritual?
No, yeah, spiritual I am.
You are? Okay.
I am like I believe in God.
Okay.
I worship also.
Uh-huh. Okay. So do you read a lot?
No, I don't read at all.
You don't read at
I don't
all?
like reading. I don't like reading. I don't like anything which is a regular thing in life.
Okay.
That's why I was into airlines. I was working with Jet Airways as an air hostess.
Oh.
I worked for 3 years, but then I'm not a job person. Since that time, I resigned and I had been into freelancing only. I get job offers,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm like, I cannot do job.
You
I
can't
want
do a
to be
regular
my
9 to
own
5.
boss. I want to be my own boss.
Okay.
Freedom. I don't want to compromise my freedom.
Yeah.
So I'm capable enough. Like I know, if not this, I have other backup plans also. Like,
Oh, you have.
I've done hair course. I'll open my hair studio someday. Keep employees. I know everything about dog grooming, dogs. I can.
Multi-talented, huh?
I know about fitness also. I've done with gyms also, so I can do that also. Personally.
I'm a runner, by the way. Yeah,
Wow.
marathon.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
awesome.
I run full marathons and half
That's awesome.
marathons. Yeah. It was nice meeting you.
Same here.
So, are you a very adventurous person? Because एकदम से कोई job छोड़ के and then freelancing
बहुत
and
बड़ा
it's
decision
it is
था.
a big decision.
But I was like, I can't do jobs. It sucks for me.
Yeah.
Morning 10 to 6 or whatever is your shift timings. Same place every day, same faces, same work.
Yeah.
It bores, and for leaves you have to literally beg your bosses for being
That happens.
paid, answerable. So for everything, all this no. Whenever I don't want to work, I will not work. That's my wish.
So, did you already had a backup when you resigned your job or you didn't have anything? ऐसा वो क्या thought था जो आपको लगा कि यार अभी छोड़ देते हैं, something will work out?
नहीं, मुझे लगा था अगर मैं ये करती रही तो फिर कभी भी नहीं छोड़ पाऊंगी. अभी नहीं छोड़ा तो कभी नहीं छोड़ पाऊंगी. यही करते करते मैं एक दिन इधर ही मर जाऊंगी. तो मैंने सोचा कि मेरे को अपने पे ट्रस्ट है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो I'll do it.
We'll figure it out.
And my parents that time were there, but since the day I started earning, I have never taken anything from my parents. I take
Okay.
care of my expenses on my own.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's a great
So
thing.
I'm proud of myself.
Yeah.
I bought my car with my own money. Take care of them with my money.
Yeah.
I do everything. I bought my phone with my money. I bought my bike with my money.
Oh, you ride?
Yeah, I do that.
Which bike?
I had KTM,
Okay.
but now I sold it
Okay.
because my mom doesn't allow me riding that gear bikes. I
Yeah.
ride very fast, but yeah, I can ride. I have like TU.
Okay.
I use that because my mom allows. That is only when I have to go for events. I generally use that because in Pune traffic is mad.
Yeah. It
So
is.
if you
It
have
is.
to reach somewhere on time.
Yeah, Activa and
You can
these
go
are the
from
best.
anywhere,
Yeah.
anytime, and reach on time.
So, what kind of events do you organize or participate in?
I do mostly corporate events.
Corporate events?
Corporate, then we do music festivals. We do this car launches, bike launches,
Oh, nice.
arts and interior designing.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here,
Thank you so
same
much.
here.
What is your name
Pleasure.
again?
Vandana.
Vandana. Thank you so much. You have a great evening.
Thank you.